How to install YT Create in Android device. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the YT Create application in your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You can see you have to open up the Play Store, and after that tap right here on the search bar and search for the YT Creator application. Now you can see you can select the first one, and after tapping right here on this application you can see the install button. So just tap right here on the install and this application will be installed in your device. So you can see I have already added up this YT Create application in my mobile phone. So you can see if I tap right here, so my YT Create application will be open, and you can see I can select the project by tapping on the plus icon, or I can use my old projects, or I can do different things from there, and I can edit my YouTube videos from from YT Create application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.